welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make chicken momos. Very easy to make and an oil-free recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 100 grams of minced or ground chicken. Then add 1 onion chopped, 1 carrot chopped, and half cup of shredded cabbage. You need to be sure the vegetables are very finely chopped. Now add few chopped coriander leaves, quarter teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of chili powder and quarter teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix all the ingredients well. Now our filling is ready, so set it aside. To another mixing bowl, add 1 cup of maida. If you prefer not using maida, you can go with atta. Then add quarter teaspoon of salt and start kneading. Add little water at a time and knead well. We're looking for a chapati batter consistency. Now we have the perfect consistency. It's nice and soft. Pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Dust your rolling board with some maida and place the smooth ball on it. Spread it to a thin sheet. Now place 1 tablespoon of the filling in the center and start pleating this way. Once you reach the end, seal it well and now it's ready. Likewise, make all the momos and keep it ready. Place the momos on the idli cooker and steam for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now, so let's open and check. The momos are nicely done. Now let's make the momos chutney. Heat 2 cups of water in a pan. To this add 2 tomatoes. Make a cross mark in the bottom so that it will be easy to peel the skin later. Then add 6 dried red chilies. Then add 6 garlic pods and let this cook for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes, so off the flame and allow it to cool completely. Then peel the skin and add the tomatoes to a mixie jar. Then goes the dried chilies and the garlic pods. Then add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of sugar. Then add half teaspoon of lemon juice and blend this to a very fine paste. Now a delicious momos chutney is ready. You can enjoy this delicious chicken momos with your family and friends. Very easy and delicious snack recipe. So do try this chicken momos at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.